Good Modika morning, friends. Welcome back once again to our new video learning session. As you develop your team and start building your business, you may come across many questions from your downlines. As an upline, you should be in a position to answer all their queries. At the same time, it may be very difficult for you to remember all the answers. So here is an easy way to find out the right answer for all the queries. Just log into Modicare website through Google Chrome. Type the Modicare address www.modicare.com and then go to sign in. Enter your MCA number and password and enter the answer here as for login. Close this. Go to tip of the day. You can see here on the left hand side, click tip of the day. Once you click, you can see two options here. One is select category or type your queries or tip number, anything. For example, I am going selecting, let's say, bonus. There are many options here. Any queries related to bonus, business information, compliance, contact us, DP, KYC, loyalty, promotions, recognitions, record changes, registration process, website tools, and order. These are the subcategories. For example, you want to see or get information which is related to bonus. So click bonus. Once you do that, you can see the tip number, that is tip number 87479 related to bonus, and these are some of the questions which people may ask. So, for example, I am taking an example of correct NEFT application procedure. So, you or your team member may have a query that what is the right procedure, or if I have to upload NEFT, what should I take care, or what should be the document. So, simply click here, view, and you can see the answer for this particular question. We understand the importance of receiving bonus timely by our esteemed consultants who are putting their best efforts day and night in developing and growing Modicare business. Further, it is extremely important for Modicare also to ensure the money is remitted to the rightful owner of the hard-earned money. Hence, this tip of the day for simple guidelines that must be followed while filling online NEFT application. So what you should take care while uploading the NEFT? The point number one, consultant name as per bank must have bank account holder's name. Right? Second point is bank account must be in the name of main applicant. Name in bank account must be same as registered with Modicare. Only initials mentioned either in bank account or in Modicare records leads to mismatch and rejection. Account number must be correct in application. Manual noting on document, especially passbook, for name of account holder, account number, etc. is not acceptable. Fresh document passbook be collected from bank and submitted. Name of account holder on check leaf must be pre-printed and not written by hand. Clear image of document, maximum 2 MB file must be submitted. So these are the important information which you should take care while uploading the bank statement. So this is how you can check any queries you have. You can simply log on to this and select the category whichever you want the answer. You can go to record change. For example, I'm taking this as record change. You can see two tip number, that is 17 and 1. How and where to provide requests and documents. If you view here, you can see the answers for the queries. Procedure for name correction. Submit duly filled record change form available at MSc or signed request letter clearly stating the correct name for requested for change. Submit date of birth proof. Choose PAN, Aadhaar, passport, license copy for submitting date of birth proof. After verification of above documents, changes will reflect after 7 working days. So these are the answers for this particular query. If you want to download this document, you can simply click download and the same will be downloaded in your download file. Okay, so you have answers for all your queries. So it is very simple. Just log in, go to this option tip of the day and select the category and subcategory and find your answer. That's all answers in your fingertips. I hope the information shared today was quite useful. Share to all your team members. We will come back once again with a new video learning session. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.